What's up guys, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you the Motorsport Products engine stand. Now a lot of people ask me, do I really need an engine stand to tear down my motor? The answer is no, but it can be a real hassle to do it without one of these engine stands. So if you have your engine on the bench and you're trying to hold it while you're loosening really tight bolts, it's going to be kind of difficult and you're probably going to bust a knuckle. So that's what's cool about the engine stand. It holds everything securely and makes the job go a lot easier. So another cool features about this is it works for a wide variety of engines. So this is going to fit most motorcycle engines that are single cylinder and have a vertical cylinder on them. So since this is made to work with a lot of different machines, you've got a lot of adjustability for mounting, and you can mount the engine on either side of this swing arm right here. Now, the other cool thing about it is you've got 8 positions. You can place the motor wherever is easiest to work on. And something else, when you're taking this apart, even though we drained the transmission and engine oil out of this motor already, there's going to be a lot of residual oil in there still, and we've got a drip pan down here, and that's going to keep us from making a mess all over our workbench. So once everything's dripped down in here, you can actually remove this and you'll dump all the oil into your drain pan. Now another great thing about this is this engine stand is affordably priced. That means it's going to work well for your at-home garage mechanic all the way up to somebody that's rebuilding engines all the time. So if you need this engine stand or any parts or tools for your engine rebuild, check out our website. We have a lot of different options on there, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have lots of helpful content coming out all the time. Thanks for watching.